realised it was on. Oh, is it we're on holiday!
Yeah! Welcome back to my channel! So this is my boyfriend.
Hello.
I'm too sexy for this.
Unfortunately. So we're currently in Lanzarote for the next week. And I thought I'd do a little cheeky vlog and show you guys kind of what we're doing. Oh hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to my crib. Hold on, come in. We also have this big old wall wrap, and our hotel brought our bags to our room, which Ben...
That was so cool, man.
Ben was very impressed. And then in here is our bathroom. We have this fancy little sink, which looks like a rock. And then if we go here, we have the main living space. Literally massive. Our bed is huge, like... it's massive. And through here, we have our sofa, which I actually haven't sat on yet, and it's very comfy.
It is pretty comfy.
And then, out here is like the best... Oh, there's people. There's our pool over there, and then our hotel is like all over here and stuff. So yeah, this is our room. Hope you guys like it. There's lots of different angles.
I hope that they like it.
There's stuff in them so like a I've killed him. Anyways, so I'm gonna get ready for the gym. I'm gonna take you guys to the gym with me, and then we're gonna get this day started. I'm just happily cycling away.
Wonder if you ever said my name. Transient came and went.
So Ben and I are currently at this like bar area. I just ordered a Sex on the Beach, and Ben ordered, what did you order? A Copperberg. And we were just walking for ages. We kind of went in some shops just to see what's going on. And now we're sitting around because we had lunch, which I didn't film, but oh my god, I didn't film that. I should have filmed lunch, but it was so good. We had a paella and it had 2 lobsters on it, and it was literally the best thing ever. It was so good. I really need to get on my vlogging grind. I kind of forgot, but we're now here, and I'm going to show you guys when my drink comes, because oh my god, I'm literally so excited. It's going to be so good. Our drinks came. Cheers. Wait, hold on. Do a cheers. Oh my god. This is a really long straw. Like, look at this. Oh, that is so good. Look how gorgeous it is as well. It's so pretty. Yesterday, basically we had drinks at the little bar that you guys saw. Like, literally so good. And then we went back, and then we had more drinks, and then got quite drunk. So now it's Saturday, and it's the next day, and I will be vlogging later because it's a very exciting day. We're going on a little cruise. Yeah, we will update you guys when we're going on the boat. The quality of the vlogging just decreased because I'm now on my phone. We just got changed. This is our little outfit. Hold on. We don't have much time. We're actually running out of time. But these are our little cute outfits.
¿Qué horas son, mi corazón?
Te lo dije bien clarito.
Permanece a la escucha. Permanece a la escucha.
12 de la noche en La Habana, Cuba.
11 de la noche en San Salvador, El Salvador.
11 de la noche en Managua, Nicaragua.
Me gustan los aviones, me gustas tú. Me gusta viajar, me gustas tú. Me gusta la mañana, me gustas tú. Me gusta el viento, me gustas tú. Me gusta soñar, me gustas tú. Me gusta la mar, me gustas tú. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je ne sais pas. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je ne sais plus. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je suis perdu. ¿Qué horas son?
our dinner. We actually got the same thing. I don't know what's on it, but it looks so good. Dinner.
Well, one of us did.
Well, Ben ate like a whole pizza and half my pizza, and I only had half a pizza because I was really full from having a starter. Okay, I had a few slices of pizza.
A few slices?
Okay, I had 2 slices of pizza, and now we're going back to our room. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Woo.
My friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well.
Pressing breakfast ever.
No, it literally does. This is my sad excuse for a breakfast, and that's Ben's. And then we got 3 drinks as well.
Hydration.
Hola, senors and senoritas. We are currently out on our little stroll to find somewhere to have lunch.
Never really know what's going on behind that smile.
We're at the aquarium. Those are huge. Jesus, that's a big old fish. Say cheese.
Can you do a David Attenborough? And here we have fish.
We have the Playa de Papagayo.
About this fish.
He's huge. He's burrowing. He looks like he's trying to dig. Oh my god, it goes really... Wait, what? Oh my god, it goes really far in.
Alright, let's not sit on it. That does not do it justice. You can't... It looks tiny and you look over it goes all the way back there.
There's a big scissor. Oh, stop it. He's a big old fish.
From forgetting, will we ever meet again on this side of heaven?
Hey vlog! So, we just stopped by this ice cream shop because we wanted to get ice cream. We went to the aquarium, as you guys saw, and now we've come and got ice cream. I got mint chocolate, Ben got Oreo cheesecake. What's the rating?
It's alright.
I'm gonna try some of Ben's.
Yeah, you can have some.
Thank you. Oh wow. So it is now a little bit later and we've decided we're gonna go out for a little bit of a drink, cheeky drink, and then we're gonna go for dinner. So this is my dinner. I'm gonna get copyrighted right now because of the music, but we just ordered lunch at this Mexican. I got a burrito. This is so good. Oh my god. Going to dinner.
Oh, I forgot my sunglasses.
Oh, damn. God damn. But look how beautiful. It is so nice. I also forgot to bring my camera, so you're getting iPhone quality. Bosh. This is dinner. Onion rings, fish, more chicken, beans, whatever this is, and a prawn fajita. Look at my cute little boyfriend.
I've eaten half a mile. well. We are at my favourite one. This is the one I'm most excited to see.
And do you want to see what this is?
This is a volcano, and it's made up of different minerals, which is why you get these different colours. You've got the reds, the blacks, the browns, and it's these different minerals that cause the green colour in the lagoon.
How on earth did we end up on a camel? This is my new best mate. This is Jared. We're on a volcano. Volcanic rock. You like the fire, the pit of fire. We got a haul from Centros de Arte Cultural in Turismo. You ready? I got a bracelet. This is all I got.
How much was it?
It was nearly €8 for a bracelet, which better be made from actual volcanic rock. And it probably isn't. It's cute, don't you think? It's got like the little, I don't know what this is, but
It's a hand.
it's got that on it as well. Ben's trying the wine that we got from the winery.
Wait, it's actually really good.
Is it? What, over 18?
It's really good.
By the way, guys, we did just have lunch. The buffet kind of place. We wouldn't have had lunch. Literally the best buffet I think I've ever been to.
Hey guys, we're packing because we're going home.